a taxi, all righteous in the street lights. But one night fate whispered, son, step into the limelight. A small job for big men, a suitcase here, a greeting there. And suddenly good old Tommy was part of the local family business. Lost heaven swing, oh, the city dances its rhythm between blessing and ruin, between jazz and downfall. Whoever forgets the code of silence quickly learns the old custom, because the family sticks together and Don Solari is in the house. Oh. Tommy gun is rhythmic, almost like a drum kick in the night. It solves problems faster than an accountant creates them. In Little Italy, everyone knows every stone and every cent. And sometimes it gets a little quiet, but only for a moment. Then the air swings, lost heaven swing, where the alcohol still flows, and smugglers' boats dance until the morning mist lifts. A wink here, a little deal there, and someone quietly disappears, but only in a satirical chord. Oh, Don Solari raises his glass to family and to what no one sees and no one knows, but everyone hears in the street. Tommy grins in the shadows because he already knows. In lost heaven, the mafia dances, and time itself in